Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I'm going to be doing a quick recipe for you guys using the Meyer quicker cooking casserole. This is one of the best and most versatile cookware products that has ever entered my kitchen. And to show you guys, I'm going to be doing a quick recipe of a steamed sole fillet that I'm going to be serving with a ginger and soy sauce, where the steaming of the fish is happening on the top and the sauce is being prepared at the bottom simultaneously, and all the drippings that you have from steaming the fish are going inside the sauce, making it even more flavorful without losing out on any kind of nutrients. This particular product cooks your food around 67% faster because of the pressure steaming, and thus saving out on time and energy.